Alright, the purpose of this screencast is to show you how to create a new project in OCS Projects. So first of all, let's open up our browser and we'll go to OCS Projects. It happens to be an external site to Oracle. It's here we go. So it's kind of a two-step process. First of all, we create a project, and then and this is protected by the Oracle single sign-on. So we put in our single sign-on password, and this is a site that partners, anybody can actually use. So people outside of Oracle can actually get an Oracle account and use this. So first of all, what we do, we just click on projects, and then we say suggest a new project, and the current customer I'm on, CISDI, current, I'm just going to call it the parent project. So what I recommend is you create one project per customer, and then for each project with a customer you can create another project, and then you just set the top one as the parent project. So we don't need public project. The template, we can use a default Oracle Consulting, and then we say create project. So this is step 1 of 2. After this, we're going to create what they call a metadata artifact, and we should see this here. So this link here is as a project owner, you must enter a metadata artifact for this project before it is approved. So let's do that now. So we'll create the metadata artifact, and here it's just got a few sort of questions that can be a little bit confusing. Here we have to say add new project details artifact. So that's the first link here. So we'll create that. I guess you can use some other metadata artifacts that you created before. So this doesn't have citizenship restrictions, so generally you would hit no unless it's like a Department of Defense or something like that. CISDI is the name of the project. The URL is https:// the project name cisdi.ocsprojects.com. So that's the project URL. So it's the project name .ocsprojects with an s.com. Service line. This happens to be the Stellent service line. And you only have to answer the questions that have a star beside them. So in the region, I will do, let's see here, we want Asia. And we will, first of all, we'll call this an internal project. The PM email, so you just put in your own email address there. And if this is, if you happen to have the PA number or opportunity number, then you can use the fixed price or time and materials project. But if you select fixed price or time and materials and you don't have the PA number, then it will be rejected. So you just have to make sure you get that. But if you set it to internal, then you don't need to specify a PA number. And I don't happen to know the PA number for the current project I'm working on. I can come back and change this later though. Client industry needs to be chosen, and so industrial manufacturing. So methodology is not required. Oracle role, so I'll just call us prime. That's what I choose by default if I don't know. And none of these other fields are required. Attachment isn't required, so I can submit this artifact now. And this will go through a workflow process, and it takes typically half an hour for the project to be fully approved. But I'll stop the recording here because that's the basics of creating a OCS project. And I'll do another screencast that explains a little bit more about some of the side menus and stuff. Okay.